Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this begin? The stars, the planets, even you and me. Where did it all come from? Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries in science, the Big Bang Theory. Part 1. What is the Big Bang? The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation for how our universe began. According to this theory, the universe started about 13.8 billion years ago from an unimaginably small, hot, and dense point, often called a singularity. Then, in a tiny fraction of a second, it began to expand, not like an explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space itself. Imagine a balloon being inflated. Every point on the surface moves away from every other point. That's how galaxies move apart as the universe expands. Part 2. The first moments of the universe. 1:31-3. Narrator. During the first few seconds, temperatures were so high that nothing we know today, no atoms, no stars, no galaxies, could exist. The universe was a sea of energy, with particles constantly forming and annihilating each other. As it cooled, particles like protons and neutrons began to form. After about 380,000 years, things cooled enough for atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium, to form. This released light, which we can still detect today as the cosmic microwave, background radiation, a faint glow that fills the entire universe, and one of the strongest pieces of evidence for the Big Bang. Part 3. Formation of stars and galaxies, 301-4. Narrator. Over millions of years, gravity started pulling together clouds of gas. These dense regions eventually ignited to form the first stars. Groups of stars formed galaxies, and within those galaxies, new stars and planets began to appear, including, eventually, our own solar system. Everything in the sun, the earth, and every atom in your body was once part of that early universe. In fact, many of the atoms in your body were forged inside ancient stars that exploded billions of years ago. You are literally made of stardust. Part 4. Evidence for the Big Bang, 401-5. Narrator. Scientists have gathered several key pieces of evidence for the Big Bang. The expansion of the universe. Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, meaning the universe is still expanding. Cosmic microwave background radiation. The leftover heat from the Big Bang, discovered in 1965. The abundance of light elements. Hydrogen and helium are the most common elements, just as the theory predicts. Together, these clues tell a consistent story. Our universe had a beginning, and it's been evolving ever since. Outro, 5-1-5:30. Narrator. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're looking at the history of the universe itself.